everyone. If you're watching this video, you might be planning to apply for international driving permit. So in this video, I'm going to talk about 3 topics. The first is what is international driving permit, why is it required, and the third topic, how to apply and what is the cost. This is purely from our own experience. There might be many ways to apply for international driving permit, but this is what we have done. First, let's understand what is international driving permit. International driving permit or IDP is a document that allows you to drive in 150 countries without the need of any additional documents or testing or any applications. It includes your photo, name, and driver information in multiple languages. Remember, IDP is not a replacement of your regular driving license, but it supplements it. So whenever you're traveling abroad, make sure to carry your domestic license and IDP. The next topic, why do you need international driving permit?
If you're planning to drive in a foreign country, you need a document that translates your domestic driver license into multiple languages. This makes it easier for local authorities to understand and verify your driving credentials.
Next, how to apply for IDP and what is the cost? We applied through International Driver Association. Here is what you need to do.
Open the website, update your details such as name, phone number and email ID. Choose the validity 1, 2 or 3 years depending on your need. You can choose to get just the digital copy or you can apply for a physical copy as well. Attach the documents such as your domestic DL and photo. The price depends on what you choose. $79 for digital plus physical or $59 for only digital copy. Submit it and you will receive the digital copy in your email within 2 hours. The physical copy takes around 5 to 7 working days.
We carry IDP whenever we travel out of country and it works perfectly. If you're planning for an international trip and want to rent a bike or car, then make sure to carry IDP. I have added the website link in the description. Comment below and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.